corn tortilla pizza. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious pizza with some leftovers that almost everyone has in their fridge. Here we have a corn tortilla. Let's start off with a little bit of olive oil. Just brush it around your tortilla. And you can add some garlic powder. It's a little thing that adds a lot of flavor. Put some fresh ground pepper. Pizza sauce. Some mozzarella. Over here, we got some smoked bacon, but you could use any type of meat that you want on top of this pizza. Now you could stick it in your oven or your toaster oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Quick and easy corn tortilla pizza. Anyone can make this, your kids can make it. Don't waste your leftovers late at night. If you want a snack, make one of these. If you haven't subscribed already to this channel, do it right now and check out these other great videos.